Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I picked up this 4-pack of Guinness and I've got a couple of recipes I'm going to make with it. The first one is a special recipe. It's my mum's Christmas pudding and you're going to love it. This is the Christmas pudding recipe I'm going to be making. My mum made about 10 of these every year, one for everyone in the family and some neighbours too. So I'm just going to take this recipe and I'm going to convert it so that it fits into a 2-pound pudding bowl. Let's get started. Into a large bowl, add all the dry ingredients. Plain flour, mixed spice, cinnamon, ground almonds and dark brown sugar. Give them a quick mix to combine before adding mixed fruit, Glace Cherries and white breadcrumbs. Mix again and now grate in a small carrot and an apple. Lemon is lovely in Christmas cakes and puddings, so grate in the zest of 1 lemon and squeeze in the juice of the lemon as well. Mix so that everything is well combined. Now we're going to add in the wet ingredients, eggs, and I'm going to beat these before I add them. Melted butter, and you can use salted or unsalted, whichever you prefer. And some good old Guinness Irish Stout. This enhances the overall flavour of the Christmas pudding and it pairs perfectly with all the fruit and spices. I like to leave the mixture overnight so the fruit absorbs the moisture from the other ingredients. The next day, stir up the mixture and you'll notice it's a little bit drier than it was yesterday. We can get this into a bowl now. This is a 2-pound pudding bowl and it's very important to make sure that you grease it well before you add the pudding mixture. Add a spoon at a time and press it down. When it's full, cover with some greaseproof paper and put on the lid. I like to add an extra layer of tin foil and I tie it with a string just for extra protection, as it'll be sitting in the water for a good few hours. This is how my mum used to do it as well. Now you can steam this in a large saucepan, just fill with water and bring it to the boil and simmer for 6 hours. Just make sure that the water doesn't boil dry if you're going with this option. You can also use a slow cooker if you have one, and this is what I'm using today. So I'm going to pop it in and fill it halfway up with cold water. Pop the lid on and set it to high for 8 hours. The Christmas pudding is ready. Now what my mum would normally do at this stage is she'd just leave it in the bowl and place the pudding somewhere cool for a few weeks until Christmas. I'm going to open this one up so you can see what it's like. Now if you want to gift this, all you have to do is remove it from the bowl a little bit closer to Christmas, wrap it in some greaseproof paper and some tin foil, and that's perfect. So let's open this now. I can't wait to see how this turned out. Untie the string and remove all the layers. Oh wow, this smells fabulous. Just look at that, and it's a really nice colour too. Pop onto a plate, and I like to decorate in the traditional form by adding some holly to the side of the pudding. Now all that's left to be done is for me to cut into this so that you can see the inside of this Christmas pudding. Normally you'd leave this for a couple of weeks to mature before cutting it. Look at all that gorgeous fruit, and it smells so good too. Christmas pudding has to be served with custard and cream, and if you've got some brandy in the house, add a tablespoon of it to your custard and it's really nice too. Oh, that tastes just like my mum's Christmas pudding. Go hauling. Beautiful. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I really hope you enjoyed this Christmas pudding video. If you can, please subscribe to my channel. Over the next few weeks, I've got lots of videos for you to get you ahead for Christmas Day, dishes and desserts that you can prepare in advance so you're not really busy on Christmas Day. All right, everyone, thanks again. Happy baking, everyone. Enjoy.